Asibingelele ubaba udokotela baba sesibajabuleni mfana umhleja khehlelo umlungu the most addicted inyanga. I'm highly addictive. Uma uzobuka lenye lama videos uzoba opium, uzoba high. You feel as if there's something missing ungayibuka ngiyadlala. Baba udokotela baba sesibajabuleni mfana umhleja khehlelo umzulu abancengesi we are closing year now siku December njengamanje ubuka le video. There is no guest since January. There is no guest. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela. I'm happy as Babu Dokotela. Kuko konke bengizama in the name of Babu Dokotela. I never change ngizibisa ngegama. I'm always Babu Dokotela. This is Babu Dokotela. This is Bojabuleni mfana umhleja khehlelo umzulu abancengisa ngesonto futhi angixolisa. Ithi into namhlanje na invoke the demon of wealth. Mengithi in demon of wealth angifuni ukukhuluma ngomamon demon. There is a demon called mammon demon. I'm not talking about mammon demon. Abanye abantu labakhuluma not Babu Dokotela. Ngiphethe lana umhlambadlozi good people lento ifakwe amabutho mesikhuluma umhlambadlozi lento ifakwe amabutho engiwathole enyangeni ekuthiwa ubaba uDlamini emqobokazi kodwa iyaligeza idlozi lento yabona le nto uma ngikunikile ngifuna 1000 kuphela ngiyazi ukuthi imali engempela mina ngizoyinika wena obuye uzobona ukuthi bakudokotela ngafika la 6 months ago ngathatha imuntu ekuthiwa umnqoba namhlanje ngithola imisebenzi ngiyenza ukuthi ngiyaphakela esibhedlela ngenza ukuthi yabona uma usiza umuntu ngemali encane it's like throwing a bait hoping ukuthi one day ubamba ufish omkhulu indeed ubamba ufish omkhulu barracuda ubambe umkhulu ufish nami this is what I do. I'm doing angling fishing ukuthi ngilo ngiphonsa nje abantu ukuthi abakhiphe 1000 ngoba kukhona ozothi uma sesephumelela afika apaka eveni athi bakudokotela you only charge me 1000 rand ekwenzeni kwami le nto today nginomsebenzi engikwenzayo kaSasol namhlanje nomsebenzi engikwenzayo kaSikhoma. I know abantu abefana and there are those people who will always come back to bakudokotela say bakudokotela I thank you lo ngenza le nto engazami zonke zesebenza yamkhumbula unkosikazi ngafika la namhlanje uyafundisa eThailand ngenxa ukuthi kwagezeke idlozi ngoba uma ligezeke kahle awu understand ukuthi ufuna bakunike igubhu kodwa ngithi mina iba ne1000 unginike 1000 hayi ngoba ngibroke. I'm not begging you for money. I'm begging you to come out from the situation that you are currently facing. The situation that you are facing is currently eating you on you and you just now make means and plans of committing suicide. I don't want to see you doing that. Lana ke mesikhuluma ke ngokuligeza idlozi ngicela bakithi ube nesikhathi incenge le nto incenge imithi engiyifakile angiyisoli futhi angixolisi ngayo. I will never surrender.